We've been having a great time experimenting with the game console designer hardware. This little kit allows the campers to very quickly build a game system. They can plug it in via a USB cable, and using a simple drag and drop environment they can create their own games, sound effects, sprites, and other things. The system is very easy for beginners to use, but also allows you to do some quite advanced things like multiple level games and physics, and there are plenty of example files. Like all TechChem courses, you get to take home your own hardware at the end.